How effective is parts washing? Hey everyone, my name is Desiree, and today we're going to see how effective parts washing is and whether we can completely restore this with just a hydroblast. As you can see, the hydroblast did a great job getting off any dust, contaminants, and grease off of this part, and now it's ready to move on to a vapor honing machine or a dry blast cabinet. For more information on our hydroblast cabinets or the hydroblast process, visit our website or call me at 828-220-4303. Thanks for watching.